Hello, my name is Chris. I'm 16 years old. I'm in grade 10 and I go to GEMS American Academy. I wanted to attend this workshop because I found it interesting how we are learning about artificial intelligence now that the world is like AI is becoming a big part of the world and it's better to adapt to it. I learned how to use AI in many different ways instead of just typing it into ChatGPT. I learned how to make videos, I learned how to make presentations all using AI. It was interactive, but there were moments where it did kind of get a bit lazy because they were really long. But what we did create, we created a fun SAT, like a SAT study guide, but more gamified, so it makes it more fun. Before the workshop, I thought it was just ChatGPT. After now, I understand a lot more about the AI and how I understand how AI is a lot more than just ChatGPT. Yesterday's session when we were making the project, when we were doing the other project, it was yesterday. That's when I felt like I was more of a tech. I would describe this workshop to a friend as interesting.